Here he comes. Doing the stairs for the first time. Good boy. Come here, Sugars. Come here. You can do it. Yeah, good boy. Figure it out. Yep. Dad, he's doing the stairs. Come here, he's doing the stairs for the first time. Come here, boy. Good boy.
What's that?
He's doing the stairs for the first time.
Good boy.
Yeah, he's doing it. He's figuring it out. I'm sorry. He's figuring it out. Good dog. That is a good dog. Go on up. Hang on, Max. Oh, here he's going down. A little awkwardly, but he's doing it. It's pretty funny. Oh, yeah, look at this. You can do it. Come on. Good dog. Oh, my goodness. This is so adorable.